Hi everyone. For those who don't know me, I'm Dan Watts, the owner of Elephant in the Room. I would like to talk about an interesting innovation, the Voice Activated Facemask. This was covered on various technology news outlets and reported by Chris Fox of BBC Click, who interviewed the creator Tyler Glaiel. I think that's how you say it, I'm not sure. I mean, I've tried to listen and I can't quite pick it up. Obviously, I'm deaf, as you all know. But let's have a look at the video. I think it's pretty cool. I'm going to get the sound on.
I was wondering if it existed to just have a face mask that would light up with mouth shapes. And so I looked around online to see if there was anything that I could feasibly just buy that would do this. And there really wasn't.
So, as you can see, the face mask itself has an LED on the front that's activated by voice. So, it inspired me. Let's have a go at replicating what Tyler's done. And then take it further. So I want to use something like a flexible screen like he has, but perhaps use an e-ink screen. The kind you see on an ebook device, such as a Kindle, and then link it up to a phone using Bluetooth and transcribe the text there. So as you're talking, the words will come across. If that doesn't work, we can move it, and it's transcribing what's been said. Whether it works or not, we'll see. The trick is finding components that are light enough. So Tyler created a shopping list, which I've tried to follow as closely as possible. So here are the components I've picked up. The camera I'm using here is slightly light, but I'm going to do my best. So what we've got is an LED screen. So as you can see on his face, there's lights. Well, this is what is used to display the lights. Then I picked up rechargeable batteries, and this one's especially pretty cool because on the back I can charge using USB. I thought that was pretty innovative because I've not seen anything like that ever. He's used a transistor which is actually quite small compared to what I've got. I managed to pick up this one, which is a little bit bulky. But everything I've picked up has been from Amazon, and Arduino Nano. I think that's how you say it. I'm still learning how to say this word. And that's a microcontroller, essentially a tiny computer, a battery connector, a microphone to detect whether you're making sounds, a transistor. A lot of people laughed. What does this do? Well, a transistor basically is like a gate, or it boosts the power of a signal. So you have an electronic signal being sent from one component to another, and the transistor will increase the gain of this signal. It can also be used to pass electrical power from one part to another by boosting it. That's all it does. I mean, it's a very simple device. So essentially, to do this job, once I've got everything working, I've got a soldering iron, which is actually quite dangerous. So if you do decide to have a go doing this project yourself, I do wholeheartedly recommend that if you are under 18, well, maybe 16, I'm not sure, that you have a responsible adult with you. And if you do have a go, please make sure you use a safe workspace and you don't cause a fire. I'm not liable for any damage that you cause. Just please bear that in mind. it's your responsibility. I will post this video with a link to the, let's call it in cooking term, the recipe for the face mask. I'm quite excited about this project, and I will try and post regular videos about this. So if you've got any comments or you want to perhaps contribute or anything, please do comment. Talk to me, message me, comment on this video, share, but please do share this. Alright then guys, I am gonna go and get cracking on with this. By the way, before I go, check out this very cool t-shirt. It says Han Solo, and then on the bottom it says Han with friends. And BBG. Ta-ta.